Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm admin in NEFX. Today we are playing Pfhlood 1.0b2 by Reddig. Let's see how it goes. Okay, starting off in liquid. I like that style. Also like the general sigil look of the map and the overhead. Okay, just wondering for a bit how to get out. Looks like the bots are stuck down there, so this won't be the best representation. My best bet is to basically punch them while I'm down there, but is there anything of note in here? Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, some more liquid hideouts, although not deep enough to avoid getting rocketed. See if I can kill any one of these in time. Seems like if they're distracted by me long enough, then they don't die just yet. But it is still sort of tedious to try to do. So in part for that reason, I think I'll do at least one more after this one. Oops. Just trying to adjust something. There we go. Kind of funny. I don't think there are any secret doors here or anything like that. It's kind of a cool concept though, and a nice shape. Hell, it's not connecting. Maybe it'd actually be faster if I basically did like a fusion suicide with one of them, like right here. What the hell? Already died, I think. It's weird. The hitboxes from red. Alright, let's see for that one. Let's see how the next one goes. This is Lord of the Sky by James Willson, January 12th, 1996. Let's see about it. Oh jeez. It's like one of the slaughter maps. Or excuse me, suicide maps. Oh, what the hell? Oh hey. Still some shields at the bottom. See if I could get to one of the shield capsules in time. I don't know if they're on all four corners of this pit here. Okay, so they are. Question is, how do I get out? I guess the idea is to do as much as you can with others who fall towards the bottom. No, I don't think it really makes sense. It's kind of an interesting concept though. Let's get back to business here. Oh damn it, it's going to take me a while to respawn again. Wait a minute, there's one thing I noticed. Should I kill myself faster here? I guess it doesn't really matter. What about one of these holes? Damn, I keep falling down all the way. What if I try and drop down here? Is there anything at the bottom here? No. So strange. Damn, this is one of the most annoying maps. Oh, hey, didn't take long that time to respawn. Weird. Oh, I guess we don't need to wait that long after all. Normally in a net game I would, that's for sure. I guess I do have to wait that long when I fall down this way. But not at other times for some reason. That's pretty strange. Alright, well, it ended well. So, next up, let's see about maps built by me and by Justin Wood. Chess and the Abyss. Okay. See how chess is. So far, it doesn't look much like a board game. I guess it just was titled that because of the alternating square textures in the center of the map. Alright, let's see what's in this teleporter. I like this map pretty well. Damn it. Yeah, alright, got a pistol kill. Surprised I survived that one. Is that all of this map? I think so. It's a pretty good simple concept with balance between teleporters, different elevations, ledges. Damn it. Whoa. Anything spawn up here yet? No. This is ending badly. Alright, that's that level. Next up, the Abyss. Okay, this one seems more basic so far, not quite as solid, I don't think, but still fascinating. Oh, for Basically seemed like a dead end, but then you get the secrets. That's pretty cool. What's this? Just a black void. Not even a secret door or anything. Oh, let's teleport it back here. Good. Oh damn, I saw a shield capsule in there. I guess those periodically spawn in those dark corners. Okay, got that. Now I need a weapon. Is this all out? All weapons. I don't even think these weapons respawn. What about down here? Anything? Oh hey, it's a big pit, which some corpses have fallen into. That's kind of funny. Well, I don't know that this will do me much good, but could be some good crowd control. Never mind. Here's something. Oh, good. I bet those don't respawn either, though. Okay, they do respawn, just not very often. That's for that. Let's see, next up, we have Mutiny Fun and Easy by CarnaMan. Mutiny is good, but spankers are better. That's what the level says. Oh, this is interesting. Good amount of doors, lots of peepholes. A little bit like the level OK Honey Bunny from Marathon 2. What's this? Just take me out right in the middle, huh? It's kind of crazy. Oh, I think I hit a spawner. Someone stuck down here. Let's see how much I can take care of with these. Oh, that's interesting. Didn't know that's that much of a radius, really. Alright, grenade snipe the shotgunner. See, can I get the fusion gun? I think they're gonna die automatically at this rate. Yeah, they all died. It's funny. Damn it. Alright. Lost 1 point, gains 2. Yeah. The hell? Because it already died. I'm being stuck. Okay. So for today, next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will go through M2 Current Castle by Zach Norwood. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.